Want to go deeper in your self-love practice? Get Resonance, my sound sanctuary for meditations and affirmations to help you rewire your mind and come home to yourself. Start your free trial below. Hello, my love. Welcome to a guided self-love meditation to connect with your heart, your worth, and fully love yourself as you are. We'll begin in a comfortable seated position. Place your hands on your knees with your palms facing up. Close your eyes. Let's take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale. And exhale. Another deep breath in through your nose. And exhale, relax your body. Deep breath in, fill up your belly. And exhale, let it all out. Feel your body relax and soften. Breathe naturally through your nose. Enjoy this moment of peace, of stillness. Now begin to bring your awareness to your heart, to the center of your chest. Focus your awareness and your energy there. With each inhale, imagine you're bringing fresh, beautiful energy to your heart space, cleansing and nourishing yourself, nourishing your heart. Allow that energy to cleanse your heart and then flow through you, pushing out any stagnant energy that may be there. Continue breathing in beautiful, loving energy to your heart, to yourself. You deserve this. You deserve all the beauty, all the abundance, and the love this universe has to offer. Remember that you deserve to be nourished every day. You deserve love. You are worthy. You are whole. You are enough. Now I will share some affirmations. Continue deep breathing and nourishing yourself with energy as you listen to these affirmations. I am worthy. I am enough. I love myself. I respect myself. I embrace myself. I accept myself. I am whole. I am loved. You can come back to this practice anytime to nourish yourself with the love you deserve. I'm sending you love and light for the rest of your day. Namaste.